Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about HoneyBook CRM. Alright, let's begin. First of all, HoneyBook is a CRM designed specifically for freelancers and small business owners in creative industries, such as photography, event planning, design, and consulting. It combines project management, invoicing, contract management, and client communication into one easy-to-use platform. This makes it an all-in-one solution for managing your business from start to finish. One of the standout features of HoneyBook is its user-friendly interface, which simplifies the process of managing client projects. You can create and send proposals, contracts, and invoices directly within the platform. With built-in e-signature functionality, closing deals becomes quick and hassle-free. HoneyBook also allows you to automate workflows, such as sending follow-up emails or payment reminders. This feature saves time and helps you stay organized, especially when juggling multiple projects. Now, HoneyBook integrates with popular tools like QuickBooks, Google Calendar, and Zoom, making it easy to handle scheduling, accounting, and virtual meetings. These integrations streamline your workflow, so you can focus on your creative work rather than getting bogged down by administrative tasks. However, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. While HoneyBook is packed with features for managing client relationships and business operations, it is primarily tailored to service-based businesses. For instance, if you run a product-based business or require advanced CRM capabilities like complex sales automation, deep analytics, or extensive customization, HoneyBook might not meet all your needs. In conclusion, HoneyBook is an ideal CRM for freelancers and small business owners in creative industries who need a simple, all-in-one solution for managing projects, invoicing, and client communication. It is especially useful if you are looking for a tool to streamline your operations and present a professional image to clients. However, if you require more advanced CRM features or are running a different type of business, you might need to consider other options. So that's basically all about HoneyBook CRM. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.